What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and let me know how you got here in the comments. I constructed this really quick synthetic wig. It took me about an hour. It probably would have been less if I wasn't playing around with the glue and having to stop and do some extra stuff, but it was like a really quick hairstyle featuring the Bobbi Boss Miss Origin hair in the style natural wave. I have lengths 18, 20, and 22 with the 18-inch closure, and we're just gonna jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm back, and for this video you're gonna obviously need some bundles, you're gonna need some hair glue, and you're gonna need a dome cap because we're gonna make a wig. Oh, and some scissors. That'll be nice. Step one, put the cap on your head. All right, we're gonna skip the lace part for a second, but you're actually gonna want to map that out. It's easier to just sew it down. This is my longest bundle. Not bad. This color is cute. I'm excited. You're basically just gonna glue. These wefts are so thin, let me tell you. Boom. So this is what we about to be doing. You're gonna be mapping it out. You're gonna be cutting a lot, and we're gonna be sticking it on the dome cap. Okay, y'all, hold on. Y'all, my freaking camera died, and I wasn't trying to wait for it to, you know, rejuvenate itself before I came back, because I still have to do 2 more videos and the sun is starting to set. So yeah, so this is the end of, well, this is how the unit came out. I'm wearing it as a side part. I like the color of it. I'm about to throw some face framing in here real quick. Let me switch it to the middle part though. Which one y'all like better, middle or side? With this hair I kind of like the side part better, but I'm not switching it back. Boom. And as you guys can see, I'm getting, oh, hopefully that's all that's gonna be coming out of this hair once I'm done doing what I'm doing to it, because I mean, I have been cutting it, so I understand why so much is coming out. So yeah, this is the Bobbi Boss Miss Origin bundles, and it's the natural ocean wave. Hair looks really nice. Get a lot of length. My longest length is 22 inches, and it's stopping like right by my waist. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that you're notified when I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, so I ended up cutting this hair. I wasn't really feeling the length with the color and the texture. I actually like this texture better for like colorful wigs. as opposed to the blue one that I reviewed. The blue one was more of a like tight texture, which is why I didn't like the color on that texture, if that makes any type of sense. But I ended up cutting it and I like it better this way. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the cut. Yeah, this pretty much wraps up the video for real. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I think I just melted this hair.